Do you find anything? Did you find any valve? What is that? Hey Daniel.
Huh?
Daniel,
Yeah.
you step outside because this two security guy ask them if they can come and help you. I cannot leave this place.
So I call them.
Huh?
You have an update?
No, they're outside right now with their cart. They just wave at me. I just wave at them too. So you're just gonna wave. You're just gonna wave at them, and they can come and help you.
Maybe it's a fucking raccoon.
I don't know why there's a raccoon in there. There you go. Tell them to come up and see what's going on in there. I cannot leave this place. I wanna live here, but to come in and check.
Hey,
Yeah, tell them to come and check.
hey, bro. I need your help up here. I don't know. Do you hear that? Yeah. I don't know. Where's the switch to turn it off? I think it's the air.
Now you're in trouble, man. Oh, I'm hoping that he knows what he's doing too. Yeah, I guess something happened in that boat, Bountiful. So these guys needed help. I cannot leave this boat. I cannot go there and help him. I'm just gonna give you guys an update, guys. All right. There you go. Oh, here's Daniel. Okay, call you back. Here's Daniel.
Okay,
Okay, turn it off. I'm gonna answer his call.
okay, bye.
Bye. Hello.
Yeah.
You guys got it fixed?
Nah, I'll put it down my report and.
dark. All right. Okay, we finished our round. So same thing, guys. Nothing changed. But I'm just showing you guys, you know, what I'm doing every night, every day. No, it's too dark. Yeah, like that. Yeah, just like what happened earlier from the other boat. Yeah, Daniel's there. He called me what happened, but I have no chance to get out from this boat, and supposed to go there and help him, see what I can do. But good thing that it's only the air hose, you know. These guys don't have any idea, or at least it's just the air hose, like what he said, as long that it's not ammonia. So yeah, that's this guy's experience tonight from that boat, being a night watch, you know, or security guy. Alright guys, I guess it's lunch time, huh? Yeah, we got a small amount of rice in here, and this is what we have. Oh la la. The fish inside the can. Yeah, this is easy, right? There you go. This is our food tonight for lunch. Oh, all right guys, thank you again. Thank you Jesus, for the food. Oh yeah, forgot my coffee. Oh, I guess it's not cold anymore. I mean, it's not hot anymore. What do you mean cold? Still warm. It's been raining the whole day and tonight, probably all night again. Oh, oh yeah. What a night again. Being a security guy. Yeah, the other guy from the other boat. See? I don't know if you guys can see it. So this guy's done eating. That's why his light up in the wheelhouse is off already. So yeah, once I'm done in here too. Light off. Light off. Oh. I need to empty this trash. Hoping that raining. All right. The rain. Still Marvin. Oh. Oh, I need to look for the extra garbage bag. That's if they have it up here. I don't know. Check this cabinet. There you go. I have the garbage bag. Wipe the lens. There you go. All right, now we're good again. We're good again, we're good. So Marvin went, I saw Marvin walking around. Oh shoot. All right. So guys, I guess it's time for a cat nap. No, we cannot do that. Just gonna turn off the light and kick back for at least 30 minutes. All right, okay then, see you guys. So guys, let's go and visit Daniel, the guy that doing the security in Bountiful. Whew, it's windy and raining outside. Oh man. Yeah, doing the security is really boring. You know, especially that's just, you know, by yourself, you're alone. Alright. So this is the Sea Trader, and that's the Bountiful. Hopefully this guy's not gonna see me, so we're gonna scare this guy. If he's not gonna see me, see, the Bountiful is really low right now because it's low tide. I think this guy saw me already. Yeah, that's a Sea Trader. Let's go watch this guy. What's this guy doing? We're gonna scare this guy. I hope he's not gonna see me. I know he don't see me. I know he's busy. He's busy. Whatever this guy's doing, we're gonna sneak in. So yeah, we're in the gangway, going up.
Sorry. Joel. The line's over there.
Oh. Look at that.
Is somebody covering for you?
Huh?
Somebody covering for you?
It's all covered.
Oh yeah? Yeah. The line over there?
Just come here to visit in the sea.
Live watch over there to the Sierra in the front.
Sky over. Yeah, Abdi and the other guys came over and like, hey, you want something from the...
Who?
Abdi and the other guy?
Who? Ari?
Abdi, the security guy.
Oh.
Hey, you want something from the Starbound? Oh no, man, I'm good. Okay, are you sure? Let us know if you guys want something.
He never asked me, man.
Yeah, he asked me yesterday and today.
They still got food on Starbucks?
Yeah. So
Oh, fucking Alex, man.
how many of them doing the security on the other side?
Where? On the Sierra?
Yeah.
Just Sky. Oh, I think Sky and the black guy. I don't know his name.
Oh, so this is the one.
Yeah, this one broke off.
Oh yeah, there's no clamp.
Yeah.
That's why.
The thing is like...
Yeah. Ah, ammonia. This one is still good to go, man. To Alaska. Oi.
Not on the Sea Trader.
Huh?
Not the Sea Trader.
Not the Sea Trader. Ah. Okay.
Alright, man.
I just came by to
Thanks for stopping by.
yeah. All right, see you later, man. All right. Yeah. This is the Bountiful. Now it's for sale. Bountiful. For sale. For sale. Okay, I have to go back. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, it's nice to go walk around sometimes, you know. Get some fresh air. Get wet from the rain. Oh yeah. Ooh. Now I'm up again. I was really sleepy earlier. Try to open my eyes, but I can't. I decided to go do my round and stop by to see what this guy doing. Oh man. All right. See, it's not that far anyway. Okay, now we're back. Now there you go. We're up in the wheelhouse. Okay. All right, guys. Till next time again. All right, bye.